Witch hunt, a phrase used excessively by U.S. President Donald Trump to characterize the probes into Russiagate and arm twisting on Zelensky to find dirt on Hunter Biden that led to him being twice impeached by Congress during his first term in office. A phrase the sitting vice president has conveniently borrowed in lieu of answering the charges of alleged corruption in the disbursement of her confidential funds as DepEd chief, as Armela Las Moras reports.
Some lawmakers are standing firm that their push for the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte is not a witch hunt. According to House Impeachment Prosecutor Lawrence Defensor, they have strong evidence and grounds. That's why it would be better if the trial could begin forthwith so that everything can be revealed to the public.
It's very unbecoming of a senator judge in an impeachment trial to say that the impeachment complaint and the trial is a witch hunt. Hindi dapat nanggagaling yon sa isang senator judge who are expected to receive the evidence with impartiality and to treat the impeachment as a constitutional process. Sana hindi na maulit yon.
Bicol Saro Party List Representative Terry Ridon also agrees with this. He further asserted that this is a fight for truth, transparency, and accountability, and definitely not a witch hunt.
Well, I think we have to hunt for the truth. No? We have to hunt for accountability. We have to hunt for transparency. No? So, very important po yung proseso ng impeachment.
ML Party List Representative Laila De Lima, on the other hand, also had this to say regarding this issue.
You talk about witch hunt kung walang basehan. Pwede yung siguro dun sa mga ginawa nila sa akin, the past administration, kinasuhan ako na mga trumped-up bogus charges. Yun, yung witch hunt, kangaroo hearing, para lang mangharas, para lang i-persecute ka. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng witch hunt, which is far from the very characteristics of this impeachment trial.
Meanwhile, the Makabayan Bloc also issued a call to the Senate Impeachment Court.
Simulan na natin yung impeachment trial, simulan na natin yung paglilitis para malaman natin kung saan napunta ang pera ng taong bayan.
For now, the House prosecution team reiterated that they are now ready for the trial and they hope it can begin as soon as possible in accordance with the Constitution. Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.